Today's topic is Assignment 1. For an organization of your choice, choose a set of business processes design, star or slow fake schemas for analyzing this process. Create a fact constellation schema by combining them, extract data from different data sources, apply suitable transformations, and load into the destination table using an ETL tool. So basically, we have to extract the data and transform the data. So my name is Pranali Bansod and I have given the assignment of this. Mm, Now here the problem statement is design a basic ETL model using RapidMiner application. So we will first see what is the ETL means. ETL stand for extract, transform and load the data. An ETL tool extract the data from different sources like RDMS, systems transform the data like applying calculation, concatenate, etc. and then load the data to data warehouses systems where other data are stored. The data is loaded in the data warehouse system in the form of dimension and facts table. There are two type of fact table, that is a snowflake schema and starflake schema are there. So what is extraction? Extraction as staging area is required during an ETL load. There are various reasons why staging area is required. The source systems are only available for specific period of time to extract the data. This period of time is less than the total load time. Therefore, staging area also allows you to extract the data from the source system and keep it in the staging area before the time slot ends. The staging area is required when you want to get the data from multiple data sources together, or if you want to join two or more systems together. For example, you will not be able to perform a SQL query joining two tables from two physically different database. So data extraction time slot for different system varies as per the time zone and operational hours. So ETLs allow extraction transformation allow you to perform complex transformation and require extra area to store the data. Now what is transform? In data transformation, you apply a set of function on extracted data to load into the target system. Data which does not require any transformation is known as direct move or pass through data. You can apply different transformation on extracted data from source system. For example, you can perform customized calculation if you want to sum of sales revenue and this is not in the database. You can apply the sum formula during transformation and load the data. For example, if you have the first name and the last name in table, different columns, you can use concatenate before loading. So what is load? During the load phase, data is loaded into the target system and it can be file or a data warehouse system. So here I will use tool for ETL is RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a world leading open source system for data mining. It is available as a standalone application for data analysis and as a data mining engine for the integration into two own products. RapidMiner is now RapidMiner Studio and RapidMiner Analytics is also now called as RapidMiner Server. In few words, RapidMiner is a downloadable GUI graphic user interface for machine learning, data mining, text mining, predictive analytics and business analytics. It can also be used for most purposes in batch mode, command line mode. RapidMiner support to nominal, numerical values, integers, real number, two value nominal, multi-value nominal, etc. So what are the steps for installation? Go to Google and write in the search bar rapidminer.com. It will appear this site. Go to the first link and get started and click on the get started. You will see download. After few registration, after few question they will ask for the register. Go for the educational purpose and download the Rapid Miner Studio. It will take few time, and after installing it will ask for this, and click on next. Eh, Configuring Rapid Miner server, this will ask for this, and you have to click on whatever the requirements are there, fill it and click on next. So browse the location where you want your connection and click on next. And now install the Redop Miner system. Once logged in, complete the final installation steps. From the SQL dialect, put down verify the database type displayed in the one you sent to create the RapidMiner server database. Verify the setting for the integrated quad scheduler, which is enabled by default. Specify the path to the plugin directory. You can install RapidMiner extension by placing them in or saving them to this directory. Note: all the extension bundled with the RapidMiner Studio are them in are also bundled with the RapidMiner server. No installation process is necessary. These bundled extensions are stored in a separate directory that is independent of the path specified here. Be sure that you have right permission to the directory. Specify the path to upload directory. This is the directory where RapidMiner store temporary files needed for processes. The installation process create a local upload directory in the installation folder. However, if you install RapidMiner server on relatively smaller hard disks, and for example use many file objects in process, or if you have large resulting files, consider a directory anywhere else in the cluster to store temporary file. Be sure that you have right permission to directory. Click start installation now. Installation gets completed. So here I have downloaded it. To go for the new process, you will have here new processes. Then if you have data, go to the yeah. This is the design model. Once we installed, go to the design model. We will see here navigate repository, available operators, logs of activity including error. If this is missing, add from view or show panel. Okay, here we have operator. We can search over here. If we can't find here, then this is the process design window where we can see all the operation we have performed. And this is synopsis, is the explanation of the selected operator. From here which we select, we get here reasons, explanation, parameters. This is here we have to select the parameters for setting. To import the data from source, we have to clear here. There is a add data. In other options we have plus import data. You can click on there. After clicking, it will ask where is your data. If your data is in my computer, then go to the my computer. If your data is in database, go to the database. Now select the data locations. After I have imported my data in my computer, so I will go to the my computer and select the data. Okay, Iris dataset I have selected. Now it will create a window like this in the design tool. Click on retrieve. Here we have operators. Search for the retrieve. If you can't find in here, search on retrieve, select and drag it to the here. Design mode. After that, this will appear link. Link is retrieved to here and select the depository entry. Depository entry is the import of the data where you have stored your data. the path of the data where you have stored. So go to the local repository and select the data. After that, select the sample and join out the result operator to this. After, after selecting the path, join the repository. Output star execution of the current process. You will see here. There is a in result you will see here and you will click here the play button. Now you can add store operator and connect to the result operator. If you can't find store here in operator, you will search for store, select and drag it to the retrieve of the store design process, and you will have to, it will give error if you can't write the parameters. So you have to write the parameter and select the repository entry, which means file location. If you select it, the process is over and you can plot now charts, visualization chart, histogram chart, bar chart, etc. You want, whatever we want. A nice functionality for data permission preparation called Rapid Miner Turbo Prep is where you simply drag and drop data to create amazing interface. So we will see here. This is my design process where I have imported. See, from here I have imported. Click here and it will give two options: my computer or database. Select whichever you want and drag and drop it here. Now we will see here. My data is imported. Now go to the visualization and see the scatter bubble, or go to here plot type, whichever you want you can select it, histogram or scattered 3D. It is increasing the line plot. Yes, and this is it. If nothing is happened, then click on here play button to see if the results are proper or not, and be sure to import the data and local repository. Go to the design and here you have to choose the parameters. This is the parameter file location, and here also you have to select it. Now conclusion, hence we are able to study RapidMiner tool. We can perform ETL operation on sample dataset and can perform analysis or dataset. Yes, this is it.